Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will explain how to swap faces. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's get started. The first step is to prepare two images we will be using to swap faces. That's the picture that's going to change. Use Ctrl+J to duplicate this layer. Go to the image of the face and select the lasso tool. Click and drag to select. Go around the face. The lines don't have to be perfectly straight. Go to Edit, Copy or click Ctrl+C when you are done. Then go to the other image and go to Edit, Paste or click Ctrl+V. Adjust and resize the face by clicking Ctrl+T to fit the other person's face. The reduction of transparency will help you do that. Use the two eyes as reference points. Put the layer's opacity to 100%. Reselect the pixels, hold Ctrl key and click the layer window. Go to Select menu, Modify. Contract 10 pixels. Select the background copy layer, then go to Edit, Cut or you can click Ctrl+X. Now, select both top layers. To do this, hold Ctrl key and click to select multiple layers. The last step is to go to Edit menu, Auto Blend Layers, Blend Method, Panorama. This is the final result. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe and like if you found this tutorial helpful.